Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Nadia and welcome to my home. Today we are doing a fall living room tour and I wanted to take you around, show you how I set everything up before everything comes down for Christmas. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start our living room tour by the front door. And this is my tulle wreath that I made this year, and it's my favorite. The minute I made it, I put it up on my door and it never left. But my sister already has dibs on that. Here I have a mirror. This mirror is from IKEA. It comes in black and white. I'm not sure if they still have it, but I absolutely love it. And here's a little, it's just like a little dresser where we put, like, you know, the dog's leashes in there and like the top drawers, keys and things like that. And then these pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree, and so are these. This was one of my fall videos. And this area is very temporary. I had a big ugly couch that we just got rid of, so I just put this kind of there for, you know, for time being. These little guys I got at Kirkland's like so long ago, and I want to paint them black, I'm thinking. And because they do have, you know, that metal is kind of, it's not flat, I want to distress it a little bit too, so I think it'll be really pretty at the end eventually. And I'm going to put some drapes here. So this is going to be my kind of beautify area for YouTube. Christmas tree is going to go right there. I got these from Target and I absolutely love them. The cabinet is IKEA Billy cabinet, and it's like that short one. And we have a little visitor there. And here, because I take all the pictures that you guys see for like my thumbnails on top of here. So I have things that I kind of need, like, you know, if I'm going to do Christmas, I have my little white background, or I have my little ring light there. Staging Christmas, I have little Christmas trees here, then my lights, and we're about to get rid of the fall stuff, but I have my fall stuff here. Oh, I forgot to take the tag off of that one. But I'm like absolutely in love with these little things, and I wouldn't consider them too expensive either. And those have handles too. They're just, you know, on the side there. All right, moving on to this area. I have just, you know, albums, old-fashioned. That's our previous pup, Lucky. That's the cats and the dogs little outfits. Because sometimes Louis does actually like his pajamas that he has, and he loves this one. And there's his Christmas sweater, and he likes this one a lot too. That one, and this is the kitties one. Anyway, so we got a little bit of that. Then this was a Trash to Treasure that I redid with the roses from Goodwill. And we hide our remote controls and stuff like that in this little thing. And I got that at Home Goods a long time ago. If you follow me on Instagram, you see a lot of pictures of my fireplace. This fireplace was actually from Walmart. It took us 2 days to put it together. It was a pain in the butt, but at the end of the day, I wanted that black and white contrast with my wall. And I absolutely love it. And you guys have seen these in either previous videos or so these gold pumpkins were from Dollar Tree, these are from Home Goods, and these are from Hobby Lobby that I collected over the years. This is my little kind of like that gold ivory area, and I have my little Paris thing there. So this I made that. This was gifted to me, and that was from Hobby Lobby. If you guys want me to show how I make my little bows, let me know for sure. One of my favorite DIYs, it's the fall one right there. And I'll show you the other one on the other side. And lots of pumpkins. I went gold, ivory, traditional, and I combined all of them put with this one right here. It's about to topple over. But I have a bunch of pumpkins here. It's a little too much, but I think it works. I don't know, I liked it. And then my favorite is right there. I know you guys just saw this. We had a different one. We had to put the new one in. And what do you do with this? So I want to actually fix this little area and put a little frame around this, you know, this thing, whatever it's called. I don't know. This temperature control thingy. Not technical, you guys. Not technical. Okay. That painting right there, that was actually a painting I did. It was in one of those classes. And I did that painting, and I'm very proud of this because I don't consider myself like an artist. Alrighty, moving on to this humongous mirror that I got at Home Goods for 50 bucks. And I thought it was the steal of the century because it looks so phenomenal and it was only 50 bucks. The little leaves I hang, literally there's a thread, like a looped thread around the end right there and one around the other end. And it's just hanging just like that. That pumpkin, I just made that pumpkin not too long ago also. And then I have this this little area where I have my diffusers. In the back, I hide my oils right there in a little Dollar Tree little glass container. I have another one of those bows that I love doing. This is, I call this my Frankenstein lamp because the bottom part is from, I want to say Walmart. Either Walmart or Target. I think it was Walmart. And that is, of course, if you know IKEA, that is from IKEA. And I love my white and gold. So I think it turned out so pretty. Oh, I don't think I showed you the pillows. So these pillows are from Home Goods. This one kind of fell. One of the pups probably went by it. But yeah, so I have this one because I have like beige couches for now. Then I have this one. How gorgeous is she? I just think this one is so, so gorgeous. And we have a little baby right there. So we have this one. And then on that couch is a square one. This is like a little love seat that I absolutely love on here. But I don't know if I'm going to be able... I'm going to try to keep it for Christmas. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to keep it or if it's going to go like in the play area, not play area, game room downstairs. But that's it. And there's a little kitty working on trying to get to the kitchen. Right, Leo? Hey, cutie. Leo, say hi to everyone. Leo, hi. Yeah, he's like, okay, Ma, why'd you close the door? Oh, I didn't show you the coffee table, you guys. So the toys, and this is one of like 3 boxes. I'm not even joking, you guys. These pets are so spoiled. Yes, mister. And there's a day bed. I need a new coffee table, by the way. I'm working on getting one I like. Because there's Puppy. Puppy took care of all of that. Hello, Leo. But when Louis was a puppy, he like ate my coffee table. So that's that. And they share this bed. Leo sleeps in it at night and Louis sleeps in it during the day. And I have a little candle going there. And these I love too, you guys. These are from Home Goods. And to decorate, you know, if I'm not using it, just put a little pumpkin on top. And that's it. Louis, did you want to say bye? Yeah, we're almost done. Say bye, Louis. He's like, look, Ma, there's squirrels out there. I'm very, very busy. Okay, you guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by.